In this video, I would like to review Peak Fishing's Rotary Vise. I would also like to show you how to set it up and share some suggested accessories, so stick around. This is Peak Fishing's Rotary Vise with a pedestal base, model number PRV-G2. I prefer the pedestal vices over the C-clamp models, and this is available in both styles. The vise retails for $154.99, and for under $200, this is quite an impressive vise. It is made from stainless steel, brass, tool steel, and aircraft aluminum. It is certainly built to last a lifetime. It is very heavy duty and well constructed. The standard jaw accepts hooks from sizes 2/0 to 20. You may purchase a saltwater jaw and a midge jaw that will fit this vise. The jaws are black to reduce glare. The pedestal base features an integrated hook bead pocket. There are 2 holes that will accept accessory posts. Allow me to demonstrate the ease of setting up this vise. This is the Peak accessory shaft. It provides a place to mount a profile plate, light, caddy, etc. It is compatible with either the C-clamp or pedestal base. This is the profile plate. It allows you a clean background view free of visual clutter. You will be able to tie longer and be more accurate using the profile plate. The material clip will hold material as you tie or use the rotary function. It is a must-have if you will be tying saltwater flies. The Peak D-arm allows you to use the rotary function with ease. The waste catcher. Not only will this keep your tying area tidier, but it will save you money as you will be able to gather bits of saddle, floss, tinsel that can still be used to tie another fly instead of it falling to the floor and being swept and thrown out. Let me share my thoughts on the Peak Rotary Vise. I have tied on many vices price range from $20 to $800, and the Peak Vise has always been one of my top favorite vices. You cannot beat the price. I would highly suggest purchasing this vise if you are looking to upgrade or just starting to tie your own flies. It is much easier to learn to tie flies using a quality vise. My only complaint with this vise is the bulky head design, but in no way, shape, or form has it ever interfered with my tying. It may stem from the fact that I have tied on other vices that have always had a compact head. I have used this vise to tie midges as well as large saltwater flies. The base is heavy enough I don't see you ever having an issue with the base moving while you're tying. I have never had a hook slip in the jaw, and that includes tying large saltwater flies. So if you're looking to upgrade or just getting into fly tying, I would highly suggest this vise. It is extremely affordable compared to other brands offering the same features. The rotary function also allows you to view your fly from different angles, just by simply rotating the vise. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, or you may direct your questions to YouTube at flyfishillustrated.com. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you for watching, and happy tying.